here at the middle school. These are awards that anyone sitting in the stands right now is able to achieve. And that is just making it up here, telling yourself, you know, to be a nice person, to help others, to be kind, and to behave yourself day in and day out. That's a choice that you can make. So these awards, we're going to recognize students that are doing that, but anybody can get these awards. Okay? First up, for leadership, for always going above and beyond to uphold the expectation and standards of Penn Cambria Middle School. The first one goes to Justin Wheeler. This next award is the Behavior Award for always going above and beyond to uphold the expectations and standards of Penn Cambria Middle School, Madeline Cattell. Also for behavior goes to Luke Machina. The next two awards are for good character. The first one goes to Aubrey Packer. Also for displaying good character, Noah Jones. And the other leadership award goes to Rachel Fisher. For those awards that were just handed out, I want to thank Mr. Kerfonta for doing those drawstring bags for the winners of those awards. We're going to finish up. I wish all of you, and we'll be talking, we'll be seeing each other, but have a great summer. But this is the time of year I always like to recognize those guys over here, because those guys over here go above and beyond each and every day to ensure each and every one of you have the opportunity for success here at the middle school. So let's give our teachers a big round of applause. And once again, I want to thank Mr. Hale for videoing this for today so that parents can watch it a little bit later. Congratulations to everyone that received an award today. Next year, let's work hard. It could be you to get one of those awards. Have a great rest of the day.